how to make Discord GIFs. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Discord right here and then make sure that you are in your server where you want to send your GIFs to. And then after that, once you're here, make sure to also have a video that you want to convert into GIF. And then once you're now done with this, the next thing that we need to do is to open our browser. And then on your browser, the next thing that we need to do is to search for giphy.com on the search bar. And then after that, you will be redirected into this part. Once you're here, make sure that you logged in into your account. So if you haven't created an account yet, make sure that you create one. And then once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do once you sign up is to click create. After that, just click create right here. And then after that, the next thing that we need to do is to just choose the file that you want to use. So click this, and then let's say for example that we want to use this. So let's double click on that. And then in this part, of course, you can adjust the GIF that you want to use, but I will just leave it as it is and then click continue to create. After that, you can also adjust it once again right here, but I will just skip it. So I'm just going to continue to upload. Once it is done, you can edit it once again. So you can add tags, source URL, and then of course, if you want to add it into your collection, but I will just skip it once again, and then I'm going to upload it. Once it's uploaded, the next thing that we need to do is to just click the copy link right here. And then once you copy the link, the next thing that we need to do is to open our Discord once again, and then just paste your link that we have copied on your message box. And then after that, just click enter. Once you do that, it will now be converted into a GIF that you have uploaded into giphy.com. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to make Discord GIFs.